Hello guys, I'm back today with another investment Pokemon video. Just a quick summary. I purchased a lot of these balls, like 123 balls, 125 balls, and actually way more than that. My goal is going to be to open one of these, make one video per one of these balls, open them up, see what I like. Again, I bought these from Costco. They're sold out already, unfortunately, but I've gotten really good luck. You know, I've gotten a couple of Charizards, and I've only opened a few of these packs. This is ball number 3, by the way. So ball number 3 is this ball, and I believe this ball here, let's see, which one is, this is the quick ball? I'm not too sure, but I believe this is the quick ball. Is it? Yeah, it's pretty quick. Okay, so this quick ball here we're gonna open up today. And I don't have my Excel in front of me, but I opened up. I know what's gonna be in here. I think there's an Evolutions, if I'm not mistaken. So we open this up. We have a Burning Shadows. We should be Burning Shadows, Evolutions, and then Sun and Moon. Yeah. So pretty good. Consistency is key. I know other people who bought these cards didn't have this exact set in them, but Costco for some reason hooked it up. Costco, they hooked it up, man. So I'm really excited. Let's go with the Sun and Moon first. So let's open up Sun and Moon. Let's see what we get. But okay, let's start. And a lot of these Pokemon, I don't know the new ones, right? I'm familiar with the base set. And if I can't read them, so this looks like Makuhita. This is Caterpie. This is Lapras. No, Lapras. What's it called? Paris? I don't know, this little bear. Shelder. Is this a reverse holo? Reverse holo Dragonite? Wait, no way, is it? Dude, sick! I like Dragonite a lot. When I was a kid, I always wanted to have Dragonite. This GX card, Lurantis. I don't know much about Lurantis, but hopefully it's worth a few bucks. This Energy. Couple of, a single trainer card. We have, oh, this is a nice picture. Oh, Metapod, look at this one. This one's sick. It looks like a Play-Doh. We have Snubbull, Granbull. This is the big one. So I think from this Sun and Moon packet, the winners are these Lurantis cards. Let me save them here. And my Holo Dragonite, reverse Holo Dragonite. I'm actually pretty pumped about the Dragonite. Not so much about this Lurantis as of now, because I don't know how much it's worth. But this Holo Dragonite is sick. I actually really like the way it looks. I've always liked Dragonite. If my camera focused, that'd be 10 times better. It's not helping me right now, but we have these two. I'm pretty pumped. Alright, so there goes that. I'm actually pretty pumped about this video now because it's good luck. This ball, this quick ball. Next one is Burning Shadows. Sun and Moon again. And of course, the one I'm looking for is Evolution, right? I believe 2 videos ago we pulled a Charizard, a Holo Charizard, and I think my first set was a reverse Holo Charizard, so now I have both. Alright, let's go with this one. I just saw the name, it's Cute Fly, but I don't know this Pokemon really. This is a Pansear, one of those Pansear Pokemon. A Pikachu. Which one's this one? Pikachu, it looks pretty small. Pikachu. Quagsmire, what's this one? Krogunk. The other Pangiar, the green version, Pansage, okay. Oh, reverse holo. I think I have it already. Tangrowth, yeah, the first one is Tangela, I think. This one is not a holo, I can see from here. Which one is this? Mudsdale, okay. A Blue Energy, Water Energy. Electabuzz. Trainer card, nothing special here, and Kiawe. It sounds like in Spanish when people say Yahweh. Okay, very nice. I don't think I got anything I wanted here. Let's put the Tangrowth on top of the list here, but I don't think it's not what I'm looking for, so I think I'll be giving away this entire pack. And now for the one I've been waiting for, my favorite one. is this Evolutions pack. I really enjoy the Evolutions because it's a reprint of the base set. And I grew up with the base set. So let's see if we get something special here. I've gotten a couple of Charizards already. Alright, I'm going to remove this card. These cards are going to be given away in a special video because I have so many of them. Alright, we have a Caterpie, the Drio, Pikachu, Machop, I believe it's Machop. This dog, Growlite, yeah, Growlite. Arcanine is the main one. Oh, a Sandile, Reverse Holo, Sandra, yeah. Oh, another Mewtwo. I like the texture a lot. This one's pretty nice. Oh, Flying Pikachu. Actually, this is the one I wanted. And it's actually really centered. Because I have one that's centered, but it had a little dot. This one, I'm actually pretty pumped about this. Ah, pretty nice. Okay, I'm happy about that one. And let's finish it off with Coughing, and this Misty trainer. I know these Misty trainers in the full art version are worth a little bit of money. Not too much, but a little bit. So my main pulls here are this Mewtwo. Even though we have a Sandra that's hollow, I don't care too much about it. So this Mewtwo here, and this Flying Pikachu. So I'm happy with both. I'm actually really happy with both. So stay tuned.